So this time it's a quick video. I hope it's a quick video. We are looking here at Golden Thomas. This model is going to Northern Ireland. Thank you for the buyer. He's going to get this model, custom Golden Thomas. See right there, really quiet model, nice. And I'm really sorry for being late on the shipment, but you know, I was at the hospital. But anyways, I'm still on treatments and I gotta go to the hospital every 2 days. So anyways, fortunately I do not have enough time even for test running on these models. I just finished it, and this is for one of our subscribers, Malachias. Sorry if at the beginning I mispronounced your name. It's for Malachias. Here is your model. He asked me for white buffers, and this was a pre-order. This was before I went to the hospital. Oh man, I'm sorry, but I was really sick. I spent a couple of days at the hospital and sent to a lot of treatments and rest. I feel real tired, but anyways, I'm sorry for shipping this late, but right now, as you can see right here, let me do a little test. There it is, it's working. So these models here in the US are ready to go, or these ones will be on the mail today. So we have here, who is this? Douglas, and here is Donald, Railway Series Donald, right there. So if you're watching this video, that means this already sent, because the video will be uploaded 2 days later. It's right there. See a lot of details, really good. I also cover the windows, see? Nice. You cover the windows with masking tapes and then just spray paint it, and it just peel off the masking tape as in the roof, and you have a really nice finish. See right here also, this area right here takes a little bit of time, but with practice you know how to use the masking tape and you get a good result. Right over there, look, nice. Donald, number 9. So this one is for Malachias. Thank you, Malachias, for buying my models. You are helping me a lot, and sorry if I did not answer before, but I was out of Facebook when you asked me for that model. Anyways, so this other set is for Miami Transit. I think it's Miami Dade Transit. One of the subscribers from Miami. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna show you. It is working right there. So I'm gonna do a little quick test run in a minute. So here is this one. This set Metallic, Donald and Douglas. I want to say thank you very much to Miami Dade Transit for buying my models, and here are your custom metallic. You've seen this one before on the channel. So this we use here vinyl on the lining here, and the numbers 10. Also the lining over here is vinyl, and these are oil-based markers, the lining right here, and sticker. Those are stickers right here. These ones we use stickers on the Railway Series Donald and Douglas, the custom models. This is a metallic model with vinyl lining, and that's Douglas. So we have Donald right here. There it is working as it should right there. So it's just a quick video because I have not enough time. Still another appointment today and tomorrow. Feeling kind of weird, but anyways, so I'm just gonna put the models running on these tracks right here and see how they look. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my videos, and see you soon with more uploads. Enjoy.